Video quality can make or break your content, and that's where stabilization gadgets step in. With the right tools, you can shoot smooth, professional-looking videos straight from your smartphone or camera. Smartphone gimbal. A smartphone gimbal is a handheld device that keeps your phone steady while recording videos. It uses built-in motors and sensors to cancel out shaking, so your shots look smooth and cinematic even when you're walking or running. Most gimbals also come with features like face tracking, panorama, and time-lapse, which make video creation much easier. Some even have joystick controls to move the phone in different directions while filming. They are lightweight and portable, so you can carry them while traveling or vlogging outdoors. A gimbal is perfect for vloggers, filmmakers, or anyone who wants professional quality video using just a smartphone. Camera stabilizer. A camera stabilizer works in a similar way, but it's designed for both smartphones and cameras. It helps balance the device and reduce unwanted movements when shooting videos. Unlike a normal tripod, a stabilizer allows you to move freely while still keeping the footage stable. Many stabilizers come with adjustable arms, counterweights, or even electronic balancing systems to give you precise control. They are very popular among content creators, event videographers, and travel vloggers who want stable shots without investing in heavy equipment. With a stabilizer, you can capture smooth action scenes, walking shots, or moving panoramas that look professional and polished. So whether you choose a smartphone gimbal or a camera stabilizer, these gadgets are must-haves for creators who want cinematic and steady footage without expensive gear. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more amazing gadget tips.